guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey! Okay, today the lesson is speaking Patwa. I am going to teach you guys how to speak Patwa. It's the Jamaican language. It's like English, but it's broken. And the first thing I'm gonna say is Wagwan. Wagwan, everybody. Wagwan. Wagwan is what's up. What's going on? It's gonna be a little short lesson, but I think if you guys want more, please let me know if you like it and want more, because I'll definitely be able to do it. Because as you guys know, I'm Jamaican. I was born and raised. I lived there for 11 years. Now I live in the United States. I lived there for a long time now. But the first lesson, well, the first word is I'm going outside. If you want to tell somebody I'm going outside, just be like, me I go out door. So I'm going outside, me I go out door. And the second lesson is that's not me. If someone say, oh, I saw you, you could be like, that's not me. I know me. I know me is that's not me. And this third one is where baan. If somebody wants to say where you're born, you say away a barn. You want to know where someone's born. Away a barn. Where are you born? And the next thing is boy. To say boy, you can say boy. That's how you say boy in Jamaica. Boy. To say girl, gyal. So girl, gyal. And the worst thing you could say in the Jamaican language is Bumbleclot. Bumbleclot is a very strong curse word. You don't want to say to anyone, especially if they're from Jamaica, no. Unless they're your friend and you guys have that kind of relationship where you could joke around. But if not, I wouldn't suggest you saying it. And if something hurts you, you can say, it bun me na. Like somebody cheat on you. It bun me so bad. You hurt me na. So you hurt me, you bun me. And the next word is, oh my gosh, this is me 125% of the time. I just talk, and I just don't stop. I ask question after question after question, and people is like, okay, calm down, shy. So I'm a chatterbox, chat. So if you think someone talk too much, say, them chat. Them chat so much, you just can't chat all the time. Shut your mouth, no. Stop chatting so much. So chat. If somebody talks too much, just say them chat. Like a chatterbox. And you know how you in America, everybody say Tuesday. We say Chewsday. CHEW day. Like chew day. Chewsday. I'm so silly. And I thought this one was good, because I just, how someone say, y'all say them, or tell the gyal them. So instead for you to say them, you say dem, DEM for them, THEM, but we say them. Tell the gyal them. Say me say hello. So tell the girls I said hello. And the last one, I'm gonna do a funny little Dutty Dirty. It's Dutty. It's like you walk into somebody's house. Their house dirty. Why don't I clean up their house? They're so dirty. Them dirty. Dirty. Like that. It's dirty. Dirty, yo. Hey, bend your head and lift your head over. Dirty girl, my alone. Dirty girl. Okay, so pretty much, we're gonna go over the lesson one more time. Dirty is dirty. Them is them. Tuesday is Chewsday. And if somebody is overly talkative, to the point of irritation like me, you call them chatty, meaning chatterbox, them just can't shut up. And if someone hurt you or cheat on you, you can say them bun you, like them hurt you really bad. And the bad, strong word is bumbleclots. This is just like a brief overview of everything that was discussed today, And girl, gyal, boy. I'm not one like that. I'm not the one to like that. I know me feel like that. Okay? And we say where you're born, where your barn. That's not me. I know me. That's not me. I know me. And the last one is I'm going outside. May I go outdoor? I hope you enjoy the lesson, guys. If you want more, please let me know. It was my pleasure speaking with you guys. Me enjoy every single part of it. And me hope you enjoy this talking. Come on, talk to you and speak the Patwa, and me represent Jamaica to the fullest. Born and grow. Me rep Jamaica 24/7. Me never gonna give up. That's my place right there. Jamaica. Big up Jamaica. Hey, me love you guys, you know, always and forever. Me love Jamaican people. Me love everybody all together, but me rep my country to the fullest. Basically, what I was saying is I love my country. I rep my country, but at the same time, I love everyone. I love you guys. YouTuber, keep subscribing. If you want more of this video, subscribe. All right, me out to know. All right, talk to you later.